Hey guys, it's Kristin. So unfortunately, YouTube has decided to change their partner program. This change is going to affect a majority of the YouTubers that are making videos. So pretty much what they've decided is if you are a small YouTuber, you are not worth paying anymore. Is pretty much what they're saying. They have set some very high requirements for you to be part of the partner program. So like I said, if you're a smaller YouTuber, you're no longer going to be able to monetize your videos. You're not even going to be eligible. That option won't be there for you. I received an email because I do have 2 channels. One of them is smaller, so I am being affected with that smaller channel. And I'm pretty much just gonna read you what they said. The new eligibility requirements announced today, your YouTube channel, I Am Kristin, is no longer eligible for monetization because it does not meet the new threshold of 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. As a result, your channel will lose access to all monetization tools and features associated with the YouTube Partner Program on February 20th, 2018, unless you suppress this threshold, wow, I can't talk, in the next 30 days. So I looked it up, and you have to have 240,000 minutes in order to be eligible, and then 1,000 subscribers, which I feel like sometimes the subscribers is not as hard as the watch time, because if you make like short little videos, your watch time is going to be a lot shorter. If you do longer videos and people watch the whole thing, then it'll be higher. But that's a lot. If you're a bigger YouTuber, then that's no problem, obviously, but this is not what we're talking about. We're talking about like the little guy. I thought that I had a lot. I have like 45,000 minutes or something like that in a 12-month period, which only ends up being like 700 and something hours, which is not even remotely close to the 4,000. So there's no way I'm making that in 30 days. I still have 3/4 of the way to go to even try to get that 4,000 hour threshold, which I feel like is kind of high. Like that's 4,000 hours, that's a lot. I don't know why exactly they made this decision. I honestly feel like some of it has to do with Logan Paul, because in the very first paragraph it says, "Today we are announcing changes to the YouTube Partner Program. While our goal remains to keep the YouTube Partner Program open to as many channels as possible, we recognize we need more safeguards in place to protect creator revenue across the YouTube ecosystem." Maybe that has something to do with somebody filming a dead body and, you know, like they don't want people advertising on those type of things. I just feel like some of this is because of him. This on top of all the other crap that's been going on in 2017 and now going into 2018, honestly, YouTube has not been that much fun lately. Up until 2017, YouTube was really fun. A lot of the videos were very more immature. You know, there was challenges and like really fun stuff. Now people it's all just shock and like they just want to do crazy stuff like eating Tide Pods. You know, like they're doing stupid things, and I feel like there's particular people that have made these dumb videos, or the direction that YouTube's going in has, you know, resulted these changes. So people like me that do pretty much like all my videos, I feel like are very fun and they're innocent and stuff like that. Now I'm suffering along with hundreds of thousands of other people that just want to make videos. And it really does take the wind out of my sail. Like I don't even really have a desire to make videos anymore. And it has nothing to do necessarily with the revenue, because I'm not really making any money off my small channel anyways, but it's just the fact that now I'm not even considered a partner. Like I'm not even worthy now to be considered a YouTube partner. That's what I think bothers me, is that they're putting a division in, saying like, if you make us a lot of money, then we're gonna treat you special, which on one side, yes, I understand that, but on the other side, like you can't just have YouTube be for the last 10 years one way and then all of a sudden flip a switch and be like, yeah, we don't care about you anymore. And it's called YouTube. Like, it's not celebrity tube, it's not business tube, like, and that's all YouTube is now, it's just businesses advertising, it's just celebrities posting their music videos. Like, I feel like YouTube is just being used as another platform to show stuff that we already see on TV. That's not what YouTube was created for. It was created for people to present themselves. That's why, like, you know, YouTube. I hate the direction that they're going in, and I really don't even know what my future is going to be here. I do have my my larger channel, so I may keep going with that one, but I really don't know. I've even maybe thought about combining the two again, which a year ago I separated them out, so I would have like a how-to channel and then a vlog channel. But I'm really now, I don't know, with all of this, maybe I'll combine them back together because my other one has like a higher subscriber count. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. But I'm curious on what you guys think about this huge change, because I'm assuming a majority of the people that watch my channel, you know, are smaller YouTubers, so you're all gonna be affected by this, which really sucks. But yeah, so just leave me comments below. But anyways, I literally just found out like 20 minutes ago, and I just instantly was like, I want to make a video about this. I'm gonna put this out there. I'm sure there's gonna be tons of these videos going around, but I'm so frustrated with YouTube. Like, what are you doing? You are going down the wrong path, and I really can see this turning really bad for them, because, you know, the creators could be like, you know what, screw you, I'm leaving, and they'll just drop like flies. All it takes is for a couple big YouTubers to say, I'm done with this crap, and then just leave, and then it'll just be like a snowball effect and everyone will be gone, and then guess what, YouTube, you're gonna be screwed. So we'll see how it goes. I may post more videos like as more information comes out. But anyways, if you guys liked this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you do want to see more, if I decide to post more, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.